اقرأ.
6 hours, feeds, study notes, and I feel emptier than when I started.
Because you consume noise, not wisdom. Humanity acts on stimuli, abandoning the heart's intellect, connected to the soul. We've come dangerously close to claiming divinity itself.
Let me explain this to you.
This is collective intellectual schizophrenia. Minds accelerated into madness, severed from real knowledge. Your anxiety? Your soul screaming. You feed data to a brain starved of meaning. We are insan, born from nisyan. When intellect strays, man plays creator and forgets his creator.
But the world's different. We have to stay connected.
Connected or enslaved? That ache in your chest is your soul screaming, "Read me first." $2.2 billion thirst without clean water. Wildlife halved since 1970. Forests cut in half, all while carbon chokes the sky. Is this progress? No. This is corruption by human hands.
But everyone says we're advancing.
They worship screens showing fairy tales. The Qur'an warned, corruption has appeared on land and sea, yet they call destruction growth. Allah declares, most people do not know. They swallow media lies whole, but question divine truth. This book, the antidote to the schizophrenia poisoning your age.
How did we trade this for trending tweets?
Because a stray intellect becomes a tyrant, it makes you adore the prison walls. Start with one verse, but read it 3 times, to see your soul, to find it in creation, to let it rewrite tomorrow.
We're not reading. We're digging our graves.
Now you understand why Allah began with Iqra and why we began with oblivion.